it's a picture of a barn.
There's a barn behind us! She's hungry!
Fizzy Fun House!
Fizzy, let's play stuck in the mud! Yo, Phoebe, I need to make sure I have enough time for pet vet. Please! Please play! It's a fun game! Look, Fizzy! I'm stuck! Okay, Phoebe, I'll use my fizzy magic to help you. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. Thanks, Fizzy! Ooh, look, Fizzy, there's something there in the mud. We need some help. Oh, Miss Hands!
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hi Fizzy and Phoebe. Whoa, what have you found here? Shall we take a look? It seems to be a piece of a map.
Where does it lead?
Well, it's a picture of a barn.
There's a barn behind us! Let's go! Whoa, what was that? I don't know. I didn't see anything. Whoa, there's so much squelchy mud around here. Wow, and there's crumbs on the floor, too. It looks like wheat or corn. Whoa, look! It's a pig! That makes sense with all the mud. Can you remember what noise a pig makes? Oink, oink! That's right! And since I am a pet vet today, I should make sure that the little piggy is feeling okay. Miss Hands, can we have a hand?
Of course you can, Fizzy. Let's take a look.
Well, I am looking very closely, but all I can see is mud, mud, mud. Why do pigs like mud so much? Well, it's to stop them from getting sunburnt. Also, to keep their body temperature cool. And they like playing in it too, like me. Oh, Phoebe, it looks like he's standing on something. Miss Hands, can we see what it is?
Well, if we just splash some water, we could wash the mud away. Oh, look. This piece has some cows in a field.
Ah, let's get a move on. I know that sound. What sound? Moo. Do you know what animal makes that noise? Good job! It's a cow. Miss Hands, can we use a stethoscope to see if we can hear it?
Sure you can, Fizzy. Here you go.
I wonder what's wrong with the cow. She's hungry! Well, cows eat grass, and they have stomachs with 4 chambers that help them digest their food. Let's feed her some grass!
Here you go, Mooey. Whoa.
Aw, I think she liked that. Ah, look! In that pile of grass, there is another piece of our map. Go, team!
Let's take a look. Hey, that's so cool. There's sheep in a field.
Yay! Let's go see them!
Okay, everyone. Now, what animal goes bar?
I think they know it. A sheep! That's right! And I think we should take the sheep's temperature. This sheep is too hot. It must be all that wool. Well, sheep grow wool all the time to protect them from the weather. But he must be so warm. That's true. Let's help this sheep out and trim his wool. Fizzy, whizzy, bo busy bop. No, look, Phoebe. Now he is a normal temperature. Yay!
Ooh, this sheep's wool is so soft and fluffy. It's like a cloud. But hey, we have to put together the pieces of our puzzle. So let's clear this away for a minute. Here we go. Hey, it's the map of the farm.
Look, there's the pigs. Oink, oink. And that's where the cows were. Moo. And then this is where the sheep are. Aw, that was such a fun day at the farm. I learned so much. Phoebe, I think it's time we wash the mud off of you. Good idea, Fizzy. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Whizzy, Bo Busy Bop.